Live the comfortable, stylish life you've been looking for at Abberly Chase Apartment Homes by HHHunt. This apartment home community is in a unique location away from the big city noise, yet minutes from local conveniences. Abberly Chase Apartment Homes by HHHunt has easy access to Highway 278, State Route 170, and I-95, allowing you to be just a quick drive away from Savannah, Hilton Head Island, or Bluffton. When you're not out exploring the city, you will have no problem finding a way to relax at home. Enjoy an afternoon dip in the zero-edge pool with sun deck, outdoor pavilion or grilling area, or get your game on with friends at the vibrant clubhouse with foosball and billiards. The amenities don't stop there. This community also includes an adrenaline and strength studio, technology center, car care center, and detached garages on site, and so much more. Our spacious 1 and 2 bedroom floor plans feature 9-foot ceilings and expansive windows that let in the natural light. Sharpen your cooking skills in the fully equipped kitchen that includes the latest appliances. You'll be sure to entertain in style in the spacious and elegant living spaces with screened patio. You don't have to worry about storage either, since bedrooms include walk-in closets. And don't forget, all our homes include smart technology. Experience the perfect balance of serenity, convenience, and comfort at Abberly Chase Apartment Homes by HHHunt. All of this plus an award-winning on-site management and service team, 24 hours a day emergency maintenance, and the HHHunt How You Live lifestyle. Start living the life you deserve and contact us today for a tour of Abberly Chase Apartment Homes by HHHunt. AbberlyChase.com. Abberly Chase is a part of HHHunt Apartment Living. Visit all our communities at HHHuntApartmentLiving.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.